Welcome to Force Electric, the best Tampa Residential Electrical Service company. Locally owned and operated since 1990, we service all of Hillsborough County. We offer many services, including surge protection, home safety inspections, ceiling fans and chandeliers, smoke detectors, spa wiring, tankless water heaters, circuit installation, and more. Landscape lighting will highlight features and brighten up any dark corners in your yard, adding security to your home. Dimming lights or receptacles not working? Our knowledgeable Tampa Residential Electrical Service electricians will provide troubleshooting. The electrical panel is the heart of your electrical system. A good panel can prevent serious damage and protect against hazard. We inspect and provide an upgrade if needed. Whether it's installing, repairing, or adjusting, Force Electric has the experience to handle your needs. Our professionals offer a free estimate and straightforward pricing. All of our services are backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. Call 813-251-5559 or visit forceelectricservice.com for more information about Tampa Residential Electrical Service.